Thomas bought 30 webcams at £22 each and 120 USB drives at £50 each to sell in his shop. He made 50% profit on the sale of each webcam. Thomas sold all his stock and webcams and USB drives. In total, his takings from the sales of webcams and USB drives was £7,590. Calculate the percentage profit he made on the sale of the USB drives. So there's a bit of simple mathematics in here, although it does say about 50% profit. Now, if you go into company business, you'll know profit isn't a simple figure, but for the purposes of this GCSE paper, we're going to use a simple profit calculation. So first of all, we need to find out, it says calculate the percentage profit he made on the sale of the USB drives. To work out that, we need to find out how much he sold the USB drives for. And to work out that, we need to find out how much he sold all the webcams for. Okay, and to do that, we need to work out the profit made on a webcam, and then add that back to the cost value to actually give the selling price. So profit on webcam is equal to, and as I say, we're going to calculate this very simply, it's 50 over 100 times 22. So 50 goes in there twice, 2 goes in there 11, so we've got the answer £11. Therefore, selling price equals the original price, 22 plus 11, which is equal to £33. So he sold all 30 webcams times 33, and if we multiply that, that is £990. If you struggle with doing this, then write it out in full. The easy way to do this is to say just multiply by 10 this value, so you get 330, and as you've multiplied that by 10, you need to decrease that. So you multiply 330 then by 3, which gives 990. He sold USB drives, should say 120 USB drives for £7,590 minus 990, because that's That was the total for the USB drives and the webcams. And so we take the 990 for the 30 webcams from the total, which again you can write these numbers one under the other and subtract in the normal way. So taking 90 from 90 is going to leave 0, so all we need to do is take 9 from 75, which leaves us with 66 and the 2 noughts, so £6,600. So he sold each USB for £6,600 divided by 120. So let's knock off the noughts. 12 into 60 goes 5, carry 6, which gives 60, so it's 55. That should be a pound there, so he sold each for £55. So profit on each USB equals 55 minus 50 is £5. But it asks for what the percentage profit was. So the cost price was 50, so percentage is equal to 5, and put pounds if you want, so you cancel each other out, over 50, and to do percentages we have to multiply by 100, so 50 into there goes twice, so it's equal to 10%. And that's your answer.